No offense, because I call her Balaki, yung Balaki ko.
Balaki, yung Balaki. Ano po ba ano siya? Pinanganak na
Hindi.
son, daughter? Ano
Daughter po talaga siya.
daughter.
Tapos, she was a girl, as far as I'm concerned, she was a girl until she graduated high school. But right after high school, nung pumasok na siya sa PUP, parang nabago yung kanyang gender shift. Sabi ko, iba na ang mga, siyempre, akala mo, mga kasamahan ng mga dinadala sa bahay, mga friends na babae, di ba? Only for me to realize na yung iba pala doon is nanliligaw sa kanya. And then after some time, after several years, iba na naman yung kanyang dinala. So, sabi ko, sino naman ito ngayon? Sabi niya, girlfriend ko. So ano ka ba talaga ngayon? So she mentioned to me a gender which I can no longer remember. So parang bang, sige, okay lang po. Ano yung talagang gusto mo, didung ka. Ang importante, happy ka dyan. And wala kang depressive stage or lahat. Pero meron din siya, honestly speaking. She goes through that.
But you've always been supportive of it. Ever
yes.
since, kahit na hindi niyo pa na maintindihan na ba talaga?
Well, ganito na lang po. 40 years more or less na ako sa showbiz. So I've been with all genders. And somehow, I've accepted the fact na mas marami dito yung mga hindi mo ka-gender. Pero they're nice working with. My mentor, director, was not full female, full male. So, di ba, parang accepted mo na po. Nakaka-work mo na nga sila ng maayos.
Oh, that's very sweet, Sir Archie. Last
Thank
question
you.
na lang. Sorry, ilang taon na po pala yung anak ko ngayon?
Yung girl ko
Yes,
ngayon,
yung girl.
she's turning 30.
Magka-age kami.
Mm.
Last na lang, sir. Ano lang yung...
Okay lang.
Ano
It's
lang-
quite interesting
Yeah,
daw, di ba?
yeah. Sir, ano lang din yung advice niyo? Because ngayon, I think we're all na medyo nagkakagulo sa social media when it comes to these things. Yung parenting someone from the LGBT community. What is your advice as a father? Of course, di ba, we don't impose our parenting style. Pero for you, parang, would you have a message naman sa parents? Kasi a lot of parents pa rin, they're having a hard time, when their child comes out to them.
It's just to believe in what they say and for them to believe you as a father na i-guide mo sila ng maayos, magbibigay ka ng mga advices na sa tingin naman nila sensible or bagay sa takbo ng kanilang pag-iisip. Ganun ang tingin ko. Parang, best thing to do is just be yourself, be honest, be truthful to them.
And be a parent.
Yeah, because otherwise they see you as you are. They can see through you, lalo na pag nag-age na ng konti.
And you've never encountered, you've never encountered anyone who probably suggested to change your parenting style, dapat ganito, ganyan ka towards your daughter?
Wala naman po siguro masyado akong alam. Kasi I would have probably shared that to somebody older than me because I'm trying to get the wisdom of their years. Pero parang throughout the years ko din, at 70, parang wow, I've learned a little bit of here and there through my life and dealing with people. The nicest thing about being in showbiz, is that you deal with a lot of people. Parang kang doktor. Ang dami mong ginagamot, tinutulungan, mga ganyan bagay.
Thank you so much, Sir Archie.
You're welcome po.
Thank you.